Hi guys, so let us begin the almost the final video. It has been long awaited by everyone. So I'll give a brief on what all has been done with the car. I'm terribly sorry about the background noise as I'm outside, so bear with me. So first of all, these are the Sonnet type DRLs that have been fitted, and of course you have the low beam HID, the LED lights, and on the high beam we have on the low beam we have the HID, and on the high beam we have the LED, and also on the fog lamps we have the here. So, and on the fog lamps as well we have the LED lights installed. So this was the low beam and this is the high beam. So this is the high beam now, and of course fitted with the indicator as well for the DRLs. So this is the first thing that is there, and of course thereafter we have the is fitted here, and the side stepper. Now coming to the door, we have an additional light fitted here inside the door, and the strip here, and inside the glass holder. So if and the ambient light here, and of course if we close, then it looks like this, and a strip running here as well. And a lot of people were actually thinking of the third button that we had fitted here as to what this is for. So this is actually nothing but a knob for, I'll just show you that, and this is the, obviously all of our Nexons have this company fitted system. Now what this does is, if you can see the difference now, so if you can hear the difference, so you actually have to hear it. I don't know if the camera's mic is good enough for you to catch that. It is actually a bass controller, and of course we have the touch screen which I had portrayed before also fitted here, and the scuff plate and all of that, illuminated scuff plate. So that bass controller actually controls the Sony below the seat woofer. This does not require any amp or anything, or no wire cutting is required, so it is, you know, a pretty decent thing. So, and of course this light in the middle is now fitted because I did not like the red light. It makes the car more of a, like, you know, a look more of like Swift or something. So I did not get the brake stop light here. I got the reverse light fitted, so that, you know, actually goes with the silver garnish also, so it looks quite decent rather than, you know, tacky. So, and of course these are the rear you know, fitment. So this is the Nexon matrix light, and so this is the overall thing that has been done in the car. I don't think, and of course the 7D matting of Top Gear is there, and the seat covers and all of that. So that is the basic I think everyone requires. So I think overall this is what we had planned and gotten. So let me know if you guys like the accessories fitted, and if there is any further suggestion apart from this, you know, let's not make the car tacky and jhintak and all of that. So keeping it sober and decent, I think this was what we had planned. I'm planning to get this reflector light changed with the LED light that comes, you know, or perhaps LED bulb is fitted inside it, or I don't know. But I've seen in many other Nexons that guys have got this fitted. So, but I think I actually ignore that, because, you know, it will then make it too loud. You know, overall it already has 3 lights inside it in every door. So if you see here also, so I did not want to make it too tacky. So yeah guys, this is it. Do let me know. You're free to, you know, share and like it as much as possible, and there's no copyright on the video from my end, so you guys can share it and showcase it to your friends. This car is actually from Gurgaon, so all pricing and everything is relatively better here than smaller cities. But you're most welcome to, you know, ask me about the price and all of that, and from where I got fitted, and also, you know, these sun visors. So alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day, stay safe.